Hi, I'm Mr. Kasky. I'm the Criminal Justice Director here at the Wayne County Schools Career Center. And what we're going to be doing here is the students are going to lead their inspection. Every morning we do an inspection where they're going to make sure they're prepared for the class for that day.
Class, fall in. Class, attention! Dress right, dress. Ready, front. Have some keys. At the command to fall out, everyone take a seat. Fall out.
Or toxic materials in an unsafe manner. Frida contends that although she did know that the gas can was in her car, she did not know this was a crime, or open in the car. Can she establish a viable defense to the charge?
Okay, can she establish a viable defense to this charge? First of all, again, is gasoline an explosive?
Yes.
It can explode, correct? We can all agree to that. Does it matter here that she didn't know that she had to have a lid on it? Correct. Because she knows she's carrying gasoline, right? And you got to ask yourself, why would someone have gasoline in a car without a lid on it, right?
King down the road.
Hey, can anybody tell me why that officer, he walked right into that Verizon store, why didn't he put him in handcuffs right away? Yeah, he had a knife. Well, he had a report that he had a knife. Did the officer know he had a knife for sure? Did he see one? So why would he put him in handcuffs knowing he has a knife? What if there's a court case that allows us to do something to people? What is that called? Illegal. Does anybody know what that court case is? Terry versus Ohio. Terry versus Ohio, we're allowed to handcuff people for what reason?
To detain and search.
No, to detain them, and we're not searching, we're doing something else. All right?
Looking for weapons for officer safety.
So we're patting down for weapons and safety. I think that's what you meant, right, Lee? All right, so my police officers, all my police officers, what I want you to do is you're going to get that officer stance. Okay, so if you're right-handed like I am, you're going to stand here like this with your right leg back a little bit, left leg forward, have your hands in front of you. Okay? And I'm going to go through the steps real quick with you just to remind you what we've done in the past. But you're going to be standing in this officer stance. First thing you're going to do is introduce yourself. And you're going to let the defendant know or the suspect know that you have a warrant for their arrest. So, hi, I'm Officer Kasky. Do you know you have a warrant for your arrest? They're going to say no, they don't. So you're going to tell them to turn around. And when they turn around, have them put their hands up, bring their hands behind, tell them to bring their hands behind their back, palms together in a praying position. Tell them to interlock their fingers, push their hands away from their back, and get in that position. Once they are in that position, you're going to reach for your handcuffs. Remember, your handcuffs need to have the keyhole to the palm of your hand. Okay? You're going to take your left hand, your right hand has the cuffs, your left hand's going to grab in between their hands and their back, grabbing their pinky fingers, holding those two hands together, taking the cuffs with the bottom cuff going onto the right wrist. All you need to do is push it onto the wrist, don't slam it. Pull the hands slightly apart, bring the top cuff over to the left wrist. And the handcuffs are on with the keyholes up. So we can take the key or unlock the cuffs with the keyholes up. Okay, and then you're going to ask them if the cuffs are too tight, and then you're going to double lock the cuffs so it does not get any tighter for them. Put your hands behind their back.
Put your hands behind your back into a praying position.
Interlock those fingers.
Interlock your fingers.
Push the hands away from the back.
Push your palms out.
You. And you have your suspect under arrest in a safe manner for your safety and theirs.